are one, but we are many, and from all the lands on earth we come, we share a dream, and sing with one voice. I am, you are, we are.
Okay, welcome back. This is part 2 of the renovations, and this is Stephanie. So you want to explain what's going on, Stephanie?
As best as I can. Well, so far, from what I remember, it used to be like a peach-coloured kitchen, 1970s style, and we've got an updated, modernised kitchen. So we've laid down some new flooring, which you can't really see from this angle. What else have we done? My uncle Jeff has installed some brand new, a bit loud, brand new light switches. And what else have we done, Jeff?
So we've got the new floating floor that's going through at the moment. Continuing to put the downlights in all the bedrooms and all the lounge rooms. That's it, the floating floor. I'm about to put the heat lamp in the bathroom, and the master bedroom will have downlights.
This is Dad.
And that's Dad, yeah. That's my
not very
brother Steve, who you
talkative
met in the last episode.
A few floaties.
A few floaties, he likes doing floaties.
Oh.
So we'll get to have a look at what Steve's doing shortly, so thanks, Steph.
Stay tuned.
Okay, stay tuned. So I'm just preparing the wiring to put a heat lamp in the new bathroom. So the heat lamp will fit in here. It's a dual 275 watt lamp unit with 2 incandescent lamps as well. So I just need to hook up the commons and also the switch wires for the lights and the heat lamps. Also one off for the exhaust fan. So I'm just cutting the holes out in the master bedroom for the downlights. This is the inbuilt road that we built. And originally was a partition wall here where there was 2 bedrooms. So we've removed the partition wall to make one large master bedroom. Daniel's up in the ceiling now. I have to poke the screwdriver through in quick positions, then I'll use the hole saw to hold them out. Then we'll get the wiring through and also the ceiling fan. So now it's all wired up. And we'll just put it up there.
Hello, everyone. Hello, Jeff.
Hello, how are you?
How are you? Good?
Good, how are you?
Thank you so much for coming.
I'm not here.
Oh, you're recording it.
Yeah,
Oh,
the whole project I've been recording,
oh, cool.
so I can see.
Yeah,
Pull that up the top.
that looks cool.
No, it's not in prop there. I've got to get up the roof and
I'm fixing
there's
it.
something stopping it up there.
Oh no,
It's alright. So,
it's a big job, isn't it?
we've done
Is it all working out?
it.
Oh, you already put the lighter.
So it's 10 mil out. And
Oh, it's all muffled, poor thing, up there with all the fluff.
he knows what it's like to be an electrician. Times have got it easy to go into the house. That's nice under the house. Up there's not. Because you've got to balance on the beams, you've got to line it go like this all the time. And you get stuck. If you make a wrong move, you come through the roof. And it's hot, up to 70 degrees on a 40-degree day. Alright, that's good. That's it. Okay, I'm going to drill it out now.
Oh, it's working at the carpets.
Oh,
Yeah,
Daniel bought that.
Yeah,
Well, I'll draw that last one first, Daniel. The one you did last first. Alright.
Put this here, so I remember.
The worst part about it is you can't rest on the roof sheets, as you know.
You've got to balance all the time. And it's your calf and you watch your muscles.
Yeah.
Tomorrow,
You're gonna
you're gonna wake up and you're gonna feel bad. Just connect up the 3-gang switch for the heat lamp we just put in. And just pull the loops in. Light the top one. Daniel,
Yeah.
we're going to put the ceiling fans up.
Yeah, how do we do that?
You'll have to start pulling them out, put them together.
And how do they support it up in the ceiling?
Well, just check. I checked the one in the lounge room. It's got a beam right next to it.
Yeah, that one does.
We've got to put the plate or depending on someone got hooks, someone got plates on them.
Yeah.
Now the ones in the bedrooms, if it hasn't got timber, we're going to put timber there because we need to support it.
We're not going to cross it.
So what you can do, if you've got any timber, you got any timber here?
Yeah, should do. Yeah.
If we can fit it up through that hole, if you don't want to get back up there, if you fit it up through the hole, you want a fairly long piece to support it. You don't want anything short because the pressure of the
Well, you want
weight.
it in between the two.
If you can, if you can get it that way. But the bigger it is, the better because it's going to spread the weight.
Yeah.
I mean, they're not that heavy. The old ones used to be heavier.
Yeah.
But after a while, with the vibrations, you don't want the thing coming down.
Yeah. So we want basically knocking between the two beams, don't we, and then screwed it either side.
That's the best way to do it. If you can get it that way.
Otherwise,
Have you checked them yet to see which ones haven't got the
the other two don't have anything. The one in the lounge room's got a noggin there.
Definitely you felt right around them and haven't got anything there at all. We can't move it over and no.
Yeah.
Okay,
I'll put a noggin.
okay, we're gonna have to do it then.
Yeah.
So you better cut some timber. Do it proper.
We cut the noggin in.
Okay, I'm just gonna test this. Get these lamps up. First of all, let's put the 2 lamps up. Get these 2 buggers up. Just Edison screw. It's quite simple. A bit more secure than a bayonet cap. Then we've got the 275 watts heat lamps. Let's check that. Okay. So the big test. Let there be light. Very stylish. Looks great. Just try and fit this in. The plastic bracket's a bit awkward. These tiles, we'll have to modify bracket. See the others. What are you doing, Daniel? Putting the fan together?
Yeah, just put the fans together.
So these ones are quite fancy. don't need the bracket fancy. You need to locate them inside first and get the screws in.
Fiddly little things, but
At least it's all hidden.
yeah, you don't see the screws here.
No. It's a lot more modern.
What do we want?
Yeah. Then I'll get those together and hopefully we're going to have time to get the fans up after we get these lights completed. So what are you on, Steve?
Just laying some floating floor.
Okay.
As you can see, it's tedious because you've got to do short bits, long bits. As you can see, we've got to lift up the wardrobe. It's just labour intense. But we're getting there.
So it is like a dowel and just sort of...
Yeah, like a tongue and groove type of thing, and you just the way you do it, you get it at the ends here, you get it in and you whack it in. You make sure that it's all tight. If you have gaps, and the distance you travel with the flooring, if you don't close that gap in, you're going to be out, you're going to have to put it all back and start again.
Wow.
But it's all part of the process of doing this floor. But it's, we're getting there,
Coming together.
and
Looks fantastic.
well, not that I do it for a living, but you know, if you can do things, if you can attempt to do things yourself, which I always have done, you save money. I expect to finish this today and continue on. We have another room that's half finished. Yeah, so it's all happening. I can see you've got some spaghetti here. I don't know what you're intending to do with that.
Well, we're going to get ceiling fans up in the centre of the rooms and finish off
I'd
this
say you're almost wired for sound. And
Wired for
it's
sound.
like a song. I'm not
Oh,
sure.
Cliffy baby.
Yeah, but we're getting there. It's an old house, but it'll end up looking like a new one, like a bought one. So on that note, I shall cut off out of here and do some more work and arrivederci.
Have a look at that, yeah.
Okay?
Daniel, stick your hand down there. Where are you? Oh. I'm hearing. I'm hearing voices in the ceiling. So I finished the kitchen area. Power points look really good. Touch light switches. Very trendy. And the range hood looks good.
You happy with it all, Jeff?
Yeah, looks great. And great fans. Modern fans, the remote controls.
That's
and
all
this
your
thing.
hard work?
Yeah. We've got a few more fans to put up yet. Next stage. Daniel's still got to put the toilet in, the shower. Mr. Plumber, he's getting slack. So this one's almost ready to go. We'll just get this connected in the fan.
Bit of flooring to go, that's got a little bit.
Flooring, it's going well, looks fantastic, it's very hardy. Love the natural look. Then a corridor in this front room.
So much light in there.
Still got one light that can't go up at the moment because it needs to be patched up, sanded back a bit. Then, are you going to put these panels back up?
Yeah,
or are you going to change them?
No, I'm using the same ones.
Okay, so you like those?
Yeah,
Alright.
they're fine. Yeah,
Alright.
so good money.
Alright. You got to keep this door's not bad, is it?
Nah, get rid of that.
Are you going to get rid of that door?
Yeah, get rid of that door.
Looks like the door out of Bewitched.
Yeah,
Remember Bewitched?
yeah, I know
Is it? Yeah, she had the same door.
Nah, that door's gone. That door's about 40 years old.
Oh. And if we get that, you got the study. You know,
Doesn't look like a study yet.
no, enough room to put a little desk in there. Well, you can put a little desk against the window up here.
Yeah, up against the window. Put some shelves.
Jim, what are the power? We got enough PowerPoints in here, don't you?
Are there any?
I don't think there's any. Oh, there would be was a laundry.
Yeah. Hang on.
Is there one behind the door?
Bloody hell.
He didn't bury it, did he? There had to be one in here for the washing machine.
Yeah, that's right.
And it would have been. It would have had the sink. Do you know where the sink was? Was it over here? Where was the waste? Drainage.
The sink was in that corner. Washing machine. No, washing machine there. In that corner.
Well, he's removed the PowerPoint. He's stuck it in the wall. So, can you ask him?
How good is that?
You don't? We can't explain what's going on. Just say something about you first.
Because I haven't been here while they've been doing things, I don't know what the changes are.
Well, you can see what's going on. Okay?
Here we are.
Okay, I'll say something first.
Okay.
Alright. Long day. Time to go. Thanks for watching. See you in episode 3. Bye for now.